Elimination.
Yes, so there will be a new form that comes out in July or August.
Yeah, so currently we are all using only this form. This is the form, right?
Yeah,
that, we will use. Yeah,
correct.
So how to get to this form is, some of you which are online, is under malaysiawheels.com. Then you go to franchisee site. Then you go to existing partner. Okay. So if you are existing partner, I will grant you access. Then after that, you can go to fees and forms. You click fees and forms. Then you go to scroll down. You scroll further down and you will see a business buy sell form under here. Right? And then you right click and then this is the form. Basically, this is the form now. The June 2011. This is the form.
Yep. Yes.
Oh, okay. So temporary we use this form. So if you see this form is it has it's very easy, right? It covers your presentation covers whatever that is in this form, like the detail of business, details of participating shareholder, right? I think up to 8 shareholders. If there's more, then you add but unlikely SME more than very few very rare
Yeah.
More than
it is plenty actually.
It's a lot. Yeah. And section number 3 is the value of the company. So the method of valuation is either agreed or fixed. Just now you covered that also, right?
Correct. Yes, I did.
And value of the company, value of each business owner. So for agreed and fixed value, the question that we should ask the business owner is like, if you were to sell your company now, how much you would value it? How much you would sell it for, right?
Yes, correct.
Next question. Okay.
Correct.
So this one. How about formula based? We ask them like
NTA, or sometimes they could put NTA, or they could put some other formula that they're happy with. They can list down the formula there.
Oh, okay. Then review. Just now you said it's important to review. We put there about 2 years, is it? Every 2 years.
Usually I put 2 years once for the shareholders. I think 1 year once is it's just too close.
Yeah. Yeah, and the number of shareholders is all normally all.
Correct.
Maybe 2
usually it's all Usually all shareholders.
Yeah. Okay. Then we take here buy sell, like it's a mandatory buy sell.
Correct.
Then this one, this is like upon the occurrence of triggering event, the remaining business owner shall purchase the share of the outgoing business owner in proportion.
Yes,
okay.
In proportion.
Example, maybe proportion here means, for example, A owns 50%, B is 20, C is 30. So proportion here, just to show notepad. Example. Notepad.